Check out these images. Your friends, family, and clients will be surprised by the changes. Do you want to change your friends and family's photos into 3D images that look like Pixar or Disney animations? With the using of LensGo AI tool, we can change images to different styles with just a single click. So let's see how to do that. First of all, go to Google and search the LensGo AI website. Our link is in video description. Alright, now we are on the LensGo AI website. Click on Login button. Log in with your email or Google. You can log in with temp mail also. After the login, you will get 200 free tokens. If you want more, you can buy from here. Select Create Image from the left menu. Now we are on the dashboard. From here we can select any style of our image or model like anime, fantasy, 3D and more for image transformation. From Image Dimensions section we can adjust the image aspect ratio settings. In the Number of Images section we can specify the number of images for each generation. We also can enter negative prompt from here. I'll right-click on the Upload Image button and upload image from the hard drive. From here select the image style. Let's select Pixar style to make the image resemble the 3D animations of that company. Select your aspect ratio and numbers of images. Type your prompt here. After all, then click the Start button. After a short while the images are generated, now click on the images to review. Below each images there is an icon used for free image downloads. Let's try another style from the model section. Now I select this one. After all, click the Start button. After a short delay we will see images with the new style. We can also make significant changes to the images in the prompt section. For example, to create a smile on the character's face I enter the word smile. And for changes in the weather I enter the words rain and storm in the prompts section. Click the Start button after a short while images are generated based on the prompts. Now you can download the desired images for free. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please like it. Also support my channel with a super thanks. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next AI video.